Hi, I'm architect Greg Sharp, and welcome to my home here in beautiful Dobbs Ferry, New York. After years of living in New York City, we just wanted to slow things down a bit and breathe the country air. We couldn't believe we found our paradise a half an hour from Midtown. This property was part of an old, larger estate, and the land was originally a terraced garden. But I saw it as an opportunity, and the landscape led to my design genesis. I wanted the very architecture to capture everything I love about city living right here in the country. And that experience reveals itself as you drive up. As you approach the front door, you'll notice that I kept the original brick chimney as a textured element. The front door itself was made from the original beams. I love recycling old materials into a new structure. The rest of the materials that you'll see both inside and out are wood, cement, and steel. The contrast between these elements provides an easily identifiable architecture that's beautiful in its simplicity. As you actually enter the house, you'll notice one of the main themes: seamless indoor-outdoor living. Check out this stairway that takes you up to the main living spaces. It's actually a garden stair that extends inside, separated only by glass. It's one of the many visual surprises you'll see. As you reach the top of the stairs, you arrive in our living room. Our living room is actually this cantilevered section that you see behind me. I wanted it to thrust out towards the river views and make you feel like you're floating above the trees. Trust me, it's a great place to entertain. There's even a disco ball. I created a step-down living room to give it a sense of separation in the larger volume. Another benefit of that is that it extends to soaring ceiling heights. Museum-grade lighting, concrete floors, and walls that are just begging for large-scale art. We kept the furniture minimal, but there's plenty of room for all of you maximalists. And there's even a wood-burning fireplace as a warm and welcoming focal point. As you leave the living room and head towards the kitchen, you pass one of my signature elements, a sculptural steel staircase that I welded myself. And it forms a beautiful contrast to those Hudson River views. My wife is an amazing cook. In fact, she was a professional caterer for many years. So we set out to make our dream kitchen a reality. This kitchen continues the theme of indoor-outdoor living with two huge outdoor entertainment areas. One is a deck off the front. The other is a covered porch off of the side. Plus, there's direct access to the rear barbecue area and garden. Not only that, but all the windows either slide or fold open. For the materials, we used black marble countertops and black lacquered millwork. These contrast beautifully with the continuation of the concrete floors. There's even a custom brass hood set within a steel skylight. But the best part, or maybe it's just my favorite part, is the custom wood-burning pizza oven. This bedroom is at the top of the house, and it gives you a sense that you're floating above the trees, set in nature. It's a private sanctuary that's both serene and sexy. There's large sliding windows that open up, framing views in all directions. Even the marble master bathroom has views and a balcony. This, of course, is one of my favorite projects and captures my architectural sensibilities and interests. But at its heart, it's a warm and welcoming home. I hope you've enjoyed taking a look.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?